Be blessed by the divine. The effect of alcoholic drinking on spiritual practice. If you would like to succeed in your spiritual journey, stop drinking alcohol. And there is no substitute to this advice. Alcohol has a permanent damaging effect on your spiritual persona. Let's begin with the body. The moment alcohol touches the tongue, a small portion of this goes into the bloodstream and goes into the brain. The brain cells get tranquilized because of this alcohol, goes into a bit of a trauma or a shock and get completely tranquilized. And if you keep doing this again and again repeatedly, those cells permanently die. And once the brain cells die, they never regenerate. Only the gray matter in the brain, which is a very small portion of the brain itself, has the ability to regenerate through meditation. But the 8,600 crore neuron cells in an average human brain, about 8.6 billion neuron cells, don't have the capacity to regenerate. In fact, it is the only part of the body where the cells do not regenerate. In most other parts of the body, once the cells die, they have the ability to grow new cells in the same place, but not in the brain. So the brain plays a significant role in our meditation practice, in our overall health, in our personality, in our ability to succeed in every sphere of our life. When we meditate, we begin to observe the gentle, beautiful pulsation of our life force operating at various parts of the body called the chakras. Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraha, Anagada, Visuddhi, Agna and Sahasrara. Out of which the Agna chakra is meditating between the eyebrows of the human face and connecting to the pituitary gland inside the brain. The Sahasrara chakra is meditating at the crown chakra or on top of the skull right there, connecting 4 inches below that to the pineal gland. Both glands are what I would like to call the master gland and the headmaster gland of the human body. Now these two glands are extraordinarily important for the overall well-being and also believed to be the gateway to Brahma, or gateway to self-realization by the saints and the rishis. And therefore they called particularly the pineal gland as the Brahmendriya or gateway to God, or in Tamil many rishis refer to as Manonmani, Mana Ul Mani, that is the light inside the mind or the light inside the brain. It is this light which guides you towards salvation, helps you to eliminate unwanted, sinful, harmful thoughts, desires and deeds and words from your genetic center, cleanse the genetic center, purify yourself and prepare yourself for the journey towards the eternal consciousness. Drinking destroys all of this. It eliminates, it clears out all the beautiful things that you need to do in order to realize yourself. Instead, corrupts the path, corrupts the journey with all kinds of things that completely destroys your progress in your spiritual journey. So if you indeed wish to succeed in your spiritual journey, the first thing that you need to do is to keep your mind clear. To be able to think clearly, you need to keep yourself conscious, you need to keep yourself awake. In a way, you need to keep yourself alert. The brain cells must be fully energized and must remain completely aware and consciousness. To be able to do that, you should not get into a drinking habit. Just watch what happens to a person who is constantly drinking. Not only he becomes corrupt, he also becomes poor spiritually, he also becomes poor financially, physically, and eventually all the success goes away from him, and such a person can only be unsuccessful in life. Certainly, you do not want to be unsuccessful in life. You wish to be successful. And to be successful in the spiritual journey means you must remain sober. And this is a precondition for the higher level Kundalini meditation. Fortunately, the yoga system that our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has given to us, the so-called the Simplified Kundalini Yoga, the Simplified Physical Exercises, the Kalpa Yoga exercises, and the introspection exercises help us to eliminate this unwanted harmful habit called drinking. I too have succeeded in eliminating this habit from me. You too can succeed with this. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com, learn to meditate on your life force and eliminate drinking forever from your system. Be blessed by the divine.